Hey there everybody, welcome to the beginning of my console video. I think this is going to be a series, so I'll say it's the first video in the second video in the series of, yeah, we'll make it the second video in the series of my console build for my 71 Chrysler. As you can see, I'm going to build this console out of 1/2-inch plywood. This is just your basic construction plywood. It's spruce. It's going to be good enough. Some people are building them out of particle board and what is that stuff, MDF. I'm going to use plywood. It's a little bit lighter. I like working with plywood, and it's going to be covered anyway. I'm going to put some vinyl upholstery over it, so it's going to match the interior of the car. Now, surprisingly, I don't have a whole lot of room in this car. I got to make sure that the console fits in the middle of the dash and doesn't cover up the ashtray, because I still want the ashtray to be functional. I need the console to be big enough for the head unit and for a small pair of speakers that I'm going to be building into the sides of the console. And I'd also like to have some cup holders and maybe a change holder. I don't know about that, but we'll see. Gotta have cup holders. Gotta have cup holders. I'm just working out the basic design here, and I made a pattern so I can get the shape that I want. I'm going to trace that out onto the plywood, and then I'm going to do some cutting. Some cutting, screwing, and gluing, as a matter of fact. Okay, so it's starting to take shape, and as you can see, that the upper part here is where the head unit is going to be mounted. That's going to be just right under the middle of the dash. I'm going to do this without drilling a whole lot of holes in the dash. I don't want to drill any more holes in the car than's absolutely necessary. And some point in the future, maybe I'll want to take the console out again. Who knows, you know. Future owners of vehicles don't always necessarily like what previous owners did, so you want things to be reversible. It fits more or less the way I want it to, but it looks like I'm still going to have to do a bit more trimming to make this fit exactly the way I want. Looks like another trip back to the workshop. As you can see, this console is going to be very close to this ashtray. I'm going to try to move it over about another 1/4 of an inch or so, but I also don't want to get it too far over to the passenger side of the car. I want it to be still on the center of the hump, of course, and still within my reach. But yeah, this is looking better. This is fitting. Now, this is probably as far as I'm getting with this console in this video. I am going to do another video as I continue with the build, and I'll definitely show the finished console once I've got it in and got it installed. In the meantime, thanks for checking out my video. If you want, check out the channel, and thanks for watching. And if you found this video entertaining, informative, or helpful in some way, please don't forget to like it.